Hello and welcome to Delhi Salar Digital. You're watching Newsprint and let's look at the updates that are making the headlines today. Overnight Israeli air raids in southern Gaza's Rafah resulted in the destruction of 2 residential buildings, leaving at least 20 dead and many injured. Concurrently, an Israeli army raid in Jenin claimed the lives of at least 11 Palestinians. Opposition leader Yair Lapid has blasted a vote in the Israeli parliament allocating additional funds for the Gaza war, warning of future shame. The Palestinian Ministry of Education reported a significant toll on the students in Gaza and the West Bank. US National Security Advisor Sullivan arrived in Israel for high-level meetings, including with Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Newly appointed Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav initiates curbs on loudspeakers at religious places and prohibits the open sale of meat without a license. The directives were issued during his first cabinet meeting, marking a shift from Shivraj Singh Chauhan's 18-year rule. The cabinet also focuses on implementing food safety rules for meat and egg shops. Flying squads will monitor noise pollution and an intensive campaign against illegal meat sales is set to launch. The Chief Minister welcomes Ram devotees ahead of the Ayodhya Ram temple consecration. After yesterday's Lok Sabha security breach, 14 MPs from various opposition parties were suspended for disrupting House proceedings. The disruption was in response to the opposition's insistence on statements from Home Minister Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the security breach. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahalad Joshi put forward 2 resolutions for the suspension of these MPs. Prior to their suspension, the MPs moved to the well of the House, chanting slogans and demanding a government statement on the breach. Among the 14 suspended MPs, 9 are from Congress, 2 from CPM and 1 from CPI and 2 from DMK. The Supreme Court has instructed IPS officer D. Rupa to remove her social media posts against IAS officer Rohini Sinduri by tomorrow. The court specified that if deleting all the posts proves impractical, she should at very least publish a post stating her withdrawal of all comments against Rohini Sinduri. This directive was given during the hearing of a petition filed by Rupa seeking the dismissal of a criminal defamation complaint filed by Sinduri. Earlier this year, the 2 Karnataka officers engaged in a public dispute when Rupa shared personal pictures of Sinduri on social media and leveled corruption allegations against her. In response, Sundari initiated both civil and criminal proceedings against Rupa for defamation. A hospital in Bengaluru rural district is sealed after a female fetus is discovered in a dustbin during a surprise raid, leading to the detention of 7 employees. The hospital owner, a radiologist named D. Srinivas, is currently absconding. Authorities are investigating complaints of alleged female feticide with concerns about potential illegal abortions. This incident follows the recent busting of a female feticide racket in Karnataka. The leader of opposition calls for a special investigation team to address illegal sex detection and feticide rings in the state. Health officials plan to submit a detailed report to the police, while the government considers amendments to laws prohibiting illegal termination of pregnancy. In a tragic incident at the Silk Boat flyover, a 21-year-old homemaker named Seema lost her life instantly when the scooter she and her husband were riding lost control while attempting to overtake a BMTC bus coming from the wrong direction. Seema's husband, Gurumurthy, and their 1.5-year-old daughter narrowly escaped harm. The police reported that Seema fell under the bus wheels and was crushed to death. The bus driver and the conductor fled the scene, leading to an investigation by Madiwala Traffic Police, who seized the bus. The oil spill originating from Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited has extended over 20 square kilometers in the sea, causing severe ecological damage. Inadequate stormwater management at CPCL during Cyclone Michong triggered floods is identified as a cause. Despite delayed deployment of spill containment measures, environmentalists express concerns about the irreversible damage to the eco-sensitive Ennore Creek. Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board directs to map spill hotspots and faces the threat of operational suspension for leakage. Authorities work on the compensation for affected residents experiencing property loss and health hazards. The spill's full extent remains unassessed nearly a week after the incident. The government has stated that it has not conducted a specific study to evaluate the impact of the 5G network on aviation services in the country. However, it acknowledged that the 5G C-band spectrum poses a potential risk of interference with the current radio altimeters on aircraft. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, the aviation regulator, has examined the actions taken by various countries during the introduction of 5G. focusing on the potential interference of 5G C-band signals with radio altimeters on airplanes and associated risks to air travels. On Thursday, Shah Rukh Khan-owned Kolkata Knight Riders announced that Shreyas Iyer, the middle-order batsman from India, will captain the team in IPL 2024. Iyer, aged 29, missed the entire IPL 2023 season due to the back injury that necessitated surgery in London in April. Consequently, Nitish Rana took on the captaincy role for KKR during that season. The franchise also announced that Rana will serve as the vice-captain for the team in the upcoming season. Shah Rukh Khan, the renowned Bollywood actor, has secured the top spot in an UK ranking of the top 50 Asian celebrities in the world. At 58 years old, Khan, who achieved success with the action films Pathaan and The Jawan this year, is gearing up for the Christmas release of the comedy drama Donkey. Despite facing strong competition, Khan claimed the top position in the annual list published by the UK weekly Eastern Eye on Friday. In the rankings, actor Alia Bhatt came in the second, recognized for her impact in both Bollywood and Hollywood, as well as for serving as a notable role model for working mothers. Actor Priyanka Chopra Jonas and actor-singer Diljit Dosanjh were placed 3rd and 4th place respectively. Well, that's it for today. For more latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.